the door apart. I've got it this far by taking the screws out. Now I just gotta twist and lift. Theoretically, garnish molding, vent window mechanism should all come out without breaking glass. Next thing I want to get is this glass out. So I'm going to start by taking out all the screws that I can see have something or appear to have something to do with the window mechanism. These have been here probably 50, 60 years, so let's just see how easy they come out. I'm sure anybody's watching this who's done this before probably yelling at me, whatever you do, don't take those two out first, but nothing's happened yet. It hasn't been so long since he's been out. Theoretically, this would be the only screw we're holding in the window regulator. Well, obviously, over there. Get a screwdriver, might be easier. So I've taken this out, and this out. Taking these two out. And then when I loosen this, it seems to nothing. So there was another screw under here. When I took that out, I kind of pushed things around a bit, trying to get the window up or down, and then clunk, I did that. So if I'm lucky, which I rarely am, I might be able to get the glass and the mechanism all out as one, because I can't figure out how to get the glass out of the channel here. And obviously there's a way, because that's probably the correct way to, what's this? That came out too. Not sure what that is. It worked. It worked. I got it out. All in one. Still can't figure out how to get the glass out, but I'm sure I can look up something online and figure it out. Also a wasp's nest. Also found a dead mouse in here today. So anyways, windows out. So to give you an update of what I've got done today, I will take you for a quick walk around the car. Well, you can see the windshield is out. That was fun. It comes in two pieces, but one was cracked and it didn't actually break, which was kind of cool. This here, that's my trunk floor. Keep that in mind while we get around the back of the car. Got the door handle off. That was relatively easy. They need to be replaced. Inside here, got the back seat fully out. The back seat and the base of the back seat I got a while back. Looking at my floorboards, They are all galvanized sheet metal just screwed in. When I was underneath the car, I noticed up to about here I got original floorboards, so I'm going to take these ones out and have a look at what I got left of the original ones. There are some rust holes background there. Did some more Bondo removal using fire, and there you can see some of the remnants, as long as the remnants of the windshield rubber, which was actually not in bad a shape, but not good enough to reuse. Came across some interesting previous bodywork, which I'm going to have to deal with. Nice hole I can have to deal with. And then all this rust here, it's all going to get sandblasted. In the trunk, as you can see, there's no floor, because it was just a piece of galvanized sheet metal just sitting there. So pulled that out. So I'll have to do some sandblasting in here before I can make and weld in a new floor. On this side, same thing. It's more Bondo removal using fire. So my theory is I will get it back to decent metal on both sides, and then when I sandblast it, I'll sandblast here in hopes that when I strip the rest of the paint and Bondo, it'll be good metal behind it that I won't have to sandblast.